SERV stock analysis next week. This is not next week, but over Wednesday and onward. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. SERV Robotics is up 17% again. And the way that I would have approached this market was, like I said, if there was like a second break above here. And there was, there simply was. After it started going above here, like straight up, this is almost about to hit a BE, because the moment we started going just a little bit higher, like there's straight up break even put. So if it goes and just hits this low again at 50 and 54, it's just gonna automatically stop me out, because I'm very preserving with my capital, and that's what I've seen working for me. Obviously, do what has worked for you, but for me, that's what's been working. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna continue to keep you updated. I mean, we just pretty much tickled the low there, so I'm just gonna wait. All I'm using is the strategy that's previously delivered thousands of web predictions. If you want to learn the strategy for free, check the first link in the description.